create a work order in API Pro, we will use the Workorder program. The Workorder window has 4 tabs. The main information about the work order, a description field, a status field, and the cost. Most information are added at the main. First we go in and select New. Then the next part is to select the maintenance object. Here we go in and select our maintenance object. Our filler. Then we can add an instruction. For example, this one, BT01. This is a PM job that I need to create. So we'll go in and add the interval every month. Enter the date when it's supposed to start. Should be the 1st of May. And 14 days. So the end date will be the 15th. Then I go down here and select the job type. Job type is a PM. The status here is not waiting for schedule, it is scheduled. I put in my category. And then I save it. Then it asks me if I want to add my sub instruction to the work order also, and I select yes. This means that I have one work instruction up here. If I go down to work instruction here at the bottom, I can see that there is 4. Now I need to add a work supplier. I simply select the button here, work supplier, add the work supplier that I need, put in the hours. It will take him 4 hours to do the job. Select the hour rate if using hour rate at all. Save it. The date here, as you can see, is set to the same date, same starting date as a work order itself. I save it. Exit. Now I need to add a spare part to it. Select spare part, and I put in my type number of the spare part. I do not have at the moment a part list, so I use the entire list of all spare parts that I have. In this case, only 2. I select my motor, put in how many, in this case 1. The cost will be calculated. If I need to make a reservation on it, I will select mark and add the stock. The stock would put in the reservation date and activation date. Then I can save it. Close the window. So now I have created one work order that is scheduled to be running every month. It will be run by the task number 3594, and the first one has the work order number WO003603. The instruction will tell the work supplier what to do. We also added the work supplier that we expect to do the job. We added how many hours we expect the job to take. We put in the planned date and the planned end date, telling the frame, the range this job should start in. In this case it's 14 days. And we also added a spare part. The spare part has a reservation on it. It means that on the stock it's possible for the stock keeper to make sure that we have the spare part on stock at the time that we need it. So now the job is just ready to start.